Hi students, good morning. How are you? So now continuation of solid state. Previous class I explained coordination number, radius ratio, like that all finished. Radius ratio means the ratio of cation and anion. Radius ratio, I given tabular form also. Coordination number 2, linear, 3 means trigonal planar, like that. 4 means square planar, tetrahedral, octahedral, cube, like that. And another one is today Bravais lattice. Bravais lattice. Bravais lattice means from fundamental principle of crystallography there are 14 basic arrangements are known as Bravais lattice. From fundamental principle, the fundamental principles of crystallography there are 14 basic arrangements. 14 basic arrangements are known as Bravais lattice. Now I will give. So from fundamental principle of crystallography there are 14 basic arrangements. 14 basic arrangements are known as Bravais lattice. Bravais lattice. So now I will give type of system. How many systems so previous explained? Generally 7 types of crystal systems: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, trigonal, monoclinic, triclinic. Like that. Type of system. Number of Bravais lattice. Now I am giving first cubic. Second one is tetragonal. Orthorhombic. Hexagonal. Remembering? So visible, not visible right now. From fundamental principle of crystallography, there are 14 basic arrangements are known as Bravais lattice. First one is first system. Type of system. Number of Bravais. First one is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, trigonal, monoclinic, last triclinic. Total 7 systems. Here 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1. So these are number of Bravais lattice. Cubic 3, tetragonal 2, orthorhombic 4, hexagonal 1, trigonal 1, monoclinic 2, last triclinic 1. So these are Bravais lattice. Okay. Next another one is, we know unit cell. What about unit cell? the smallest repeating pattern of lattice point which represents the structure of solid is known as unit cell. In the crystal, smallest unit. Generally, unit cells are mainly two types. Unit cell last time completed. Unit cell mainly two types. Primitive unit cell. Second one is centered unit cell. Centered unit cell. Primitive unit cell and centered unit cell. Primitive means simple. Centered means body center like that. First one is primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell means when a constituent particle means atoms or ions or molecules. When a constituent particles are present at a position of the corner, that is known as position of the corner, and another one is position of the corner and faces of the corner. Simple unit cell, only position of the corner position. So that is a primitive unit cell. So when a constituent particles means atoms within bracket. Atoms, ions or molecules are present at the position of corner is known as primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell. When a constituent particles, atoms or ions or molecules are present at the position of corner position is known as primitive unit cell. So next one is centered unit cell. So write down first primitive unit cell, next to centered unit cell. Next to centered unit cell. Second one is centered unit cell. Here particles. So one or more constituent particles present other than corner position is known as centered unit cell. That means the unit cell contain one or more than constituent particles. Constituent particle means atoms, ions or molecules constituent particles, atoms or ion molecules present other than corner position, is known as centered unit cell. So the unit cell contain one or more than constituent particles, atoms or ions or molecules present other than corner position is known as centered unit cell. So these are three types. Centered unit cell, these are three types. These are three types. Face centered unit cell, body centered unit cell, and the last one is end centered unit cell. Write down face centered and body centered and end centered. Write down that point. Write down. Here face centered unit cell. Okay, in centered unit cell how many types? Three types. Face centered, body centered, end centered. First one is face centered unit cell. Face centered. In this such type of unit cell, one constant particles are present at the faces and another constant particle is present at the corner. Such type of unit cell, one constituent particles. Such type of unit cell, one constituent particles present at the position of corner and another constituent particles present at the faces. So face centered unit cell. So such type of unit cells, one constituent particle is present at the position of corner and another constituent particle is present at the faces. So these are face centered. And another one is body centered. So write down that point. Here very easy. Such type of unit cell, one constituent particles are present in the position of corner. Cube contain 8 corners. Simply in face center, one constituent particles are present at the corner, another constituent particles are present at the faces. So these are face centered. Next one is body centered. Second one is body centered. Such type of unit cell, one constituent particles present at the corner position of corner position and another constituent particles, constituents particles present at the center of the body. So in body cell, such type of unit cell, one constituent particle is present at the corner position, and another constituent particle is present at the center of the body. It is a body center. It is a body centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell, corner, faces. Body centered, corner and center of the body. Okay, third. End-centered unit cell. End-centered unit cell. Such type of unit cell. One constituent particle present at the corner, another constituent particle is present beside the two faces of the unit cell. Such type of unit cell, one constituent particles. A constituent particle means atoms or ions or molecules present at the corner, at the position of corner, and another constituent particles, another constituents particles at the besides the two faces of the unit cell. Okay, such type of unit cell, one constituent particle is present at the position of carbon, and another constituent particles are present at the besides the two faces of besides the two opposite faces of the unit cell. So that is a unit cell two types. So primitive unit cell, primitive is simply body centered. Body centered again classified into three types: face centered, body centered, and another one is end centered unit cell. Okay. Next, now I will give tabular form. Type of lattice point. Type of lattice point. Contribution to one unit cell. Contribution to one unit cell. Contribution to one unit cell. Type of lattice point, contribution to one unit cell. First one is corner. Second one is corner, edge centered. Corner or edge. Third one is face centered. Face centered. Fourth one is body centered. Body centered. Corner means 1 by 8. Edge means 1 by 4. Face means 1 by 2. Body means 1. Sharing. Type of lattice point. Corner I am taking 1 by 8. Contribution to one unit cell sharing. Edge centered 1 by 4. Face centered 1 by 2. Body centered 1. So write down. So first corner, edge centered, face centered, body centered. Corner means 1 by 8. Edge means 1 by 4. Face centered means 1 by 2. Body centered means 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. So these are type of lattice point. Contribution to one unit cell. Corner 1 by 8. Edge 1 by 4. Face centered. Write down. So these are first. Corner, edge, face centered and body centered. So corner, edge, body centered. Face centered means 1 by 2. So these are first type of lattice point contribution to one unit cell. Okay. Next one is simple cubic unit cell. Okay. Now I am giving first once again primitive unit cell, centered unit cell. Centered unit cell three types: face centered, body centered, end centered. Okay. Type of lattice points. First one is corner. First corner, edge, face and body centered. Body centered. First one is simple cubic unit cell. Another one is types. Simple cubic unit cell. Here simple cubic unit cell generally. Simple cubic unit cell. Each corner, generally each corner atom is shared by. Each corner atom, here simple cubic unit cell, each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. 8 unit cells. in this type unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. Each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. So okay, number of particles present in unit cell. So number of particles, number of atoms per number of particles present in unit cell equal to 1 by 8 into 8, that equal to 1. So in this type unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. Number of particles present in 1 unit cell. Equal to 1 by 8 into 8. That means 1. It is a simple cubic unit cell. Write down. Simple cubic unit cell, number of particles shared by. Write down the points. Number of particles shared by. Second one is face centered unit cell. Here face centered unit cell means, in this type unit cell, each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells, and each face atom is shared by 2 unit cells. That means in this type of unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells, and each face atom shared by 2 unit cells. Generally, any cube contain 8 corners and 6 faces. So, total number of particles means atoms per unit cell equal to, these are considered as a rank. It means unit cell of effective ions. It is considered as a rank. Rank means number of effective ions or atoms or molecules. Total number of particles, atoms per unit cell equal to, here how many, any cube contain how many corners? 8 corners. Simple, 8 into 1 by 8 plus How many faces? 6 faces. So in this type unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells and each face atom shared by 2 unit cells. How each corner cube contain how many faces? 6 faces, 8 corners. 8 into 1 by 8, 6 into 1 by 2. That means 1 plus 3. That means 4. It is a face-centered unit cell. Face-centered unit cell. Face-centered unit cell. In face-centered unit cells, total number of particles is 4. That means each corner atom is shared by each corner atom is shared by. So each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. Each face atom is shared by 2 unit cells. Here corner, these are faces. Any cube contains 6 faces. So simple cube. And another one is corners 8. Total number of particles 4. That is a rank. Rank means it is a unit cell of number of effective. Rank means unit cell of number of effective ions, number of effective atoms. That is a rank. And body centered. And body centered. Body centered unit cell. In body centered unit cell. In body centered, in this type of unit cell, in this type of unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. Each corner in this type unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. 8 unit cells. And in this type unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. And remaining positions not shared by any unit cell. And center of the body. And the center of the body consider as one particle. Center of the body consider as one particle. That means simply number of particles per unit cell equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1. That means 1 plus 1, that means 2. So body centered unit cell contain total number of particles or number of effective ions, that means rank in unit cell equal to 2. Face centered 4, simple cube 1, body centered 2. That is so information about that types of cubic cells. Last another one is edge centered cubic cell, edge centered unit cell. Next fourth one is edge-centered unit cell. Edge-centered unit cells. Edge-centered unit cell. Any cube contain 12 edges. 12 edges and 6 faces, 8 corners. In this type of unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells and each edge atom shared by 4 unit cells. 4 unit cells. Therefore, number of particles present in one unit cell equal to corner how many? 8. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 12 into 1 by 4. That means 1 plus 3. Total how many? 4. These are edge-centered unit cell. Total 4. Edge-centered unit cell. So these are different types of unit cells. So write down. Write down the points. Next one is end-centered unit cell. End-centered unit cell. In this type unit cell, end-centered unit cell, in this type unit cell, each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells and 2 faces. 2 faces means 2 faces shared by 2 faces atom shared by shared by two atoms. Two atoms. Therefore, number of particles per unit cell equal to number of particles per unit cell equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 2 into 1 by 2. That means 1 plus 1, that means 2. But here end centered means compulsory 8 corners required and only two opposite direction of faces. Two faces only. That is a end centered unit cell. End centered unit cell. Total how many particles? 2 particles. So these are different types of. I give an extra 1 point. Edge centered unit cell. Edge centered unit cell also given. Okay, write down. So these are all points. Next one is calculation of contribution of lattice points per unit cell of the substance. Calculation of contribution of lattice points. Calculation of contribution of lattice points per unit cell of the substance. Write down tabular form. Here unit cell. First to contribution of atoms. Contribution of atoms per unit cell. First column is lattice point. Contribution of atoms per unit cell. Total number of contribution particles. Total number of particles. Here unit cell. First one is simple cube. Face centered, body centered, last end centered. Contribution of lattice points means here compulsory per unit cell. Here first corner. These are 8. So write down first 4 columns. Corner, face centered and body centered. Here simple cube. Contribution of atoms per unit cell. Corner, face centered, body centered. Total number of particles. We know. Simple cube corner. 8 into 1 by 8. Here face center not there. Body center not there. Total how many particles? So that means 1. Here face center. Here corner. 8 into 1 by 8. Face 6 into 1 by 2. Body not there. Total how many? 4. And body centered. 8 into 1 by 8. Face center not there. Body centered 1. Total 2. And end centered. Here end center means 8 into 1 by 8. Faces 2 into 1 by 2. Body center not there. So these are total 2. So these are simple cube, face centered, body centered and end centered. So write down. So these are tabular form. Corner. face centered and body centered. Okay, so these are different types. So don't forget, very important. In a simple cube, total number of particles per unit cell 1, face centered 4, body centered 2, end centered 2. Don't forget, very very important. In a simple cube, only corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. In face centered, corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Faces atom shared by 2 unit cells. Like that. Body centered, corner atom shared by 8, there is no fixed. End centered, corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Two faces shared by 2 unit cells. So these are different type. Okay, my dear students. కొంచెం కాంప్లికేట్గా ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి, అందుకే స్లోగా నేను హ్యాండిల్ చేశాను. సో దీస్ ఆర్ టుడే వాట్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ from this concept problems also will come very easy. Simple cube, number of particles 1, face centered 4, body centered 2, end centered 2. Don't forget. So these are in corner mean, in simple cube only corner atom is shared by, each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Face centered cube only faces 6 into 1 by 2, faces means 1 by 2, but in end centered only 2 faces possible. So these are different types of unit cells. Okay, my dear students, thank you. Today enough. Remaining class tomorrow. Thank you for all.